Suppose that a random sample of 50 bottles of a particular brand of cough syrup is selected, and the alcohol content of each bottle is determined. Let mu denote the average content for the population of all bottles of the brand under study. Suppose the 95% confidence interval is 7.6 to 9.2. Part A, would a 90% confidence interval calculated from the sample or from the same sample have been narrower or wider than the given interval? So it would have been narrower because the Z critical value for 90% is smaller than 95%. For part B, consider the following statement. There is a 95% chance that mu is between 7.6 and 9.2. Is this statement correct?